Easy tips for a healthy kidney detox. Drinking water may help with a natural kidney detox. Keep in mind that your kidneys eliminate waste via urine. Staying hydrated may also assist your kidney in eliminating toxins from your body. Lay off the salt. A salt high in sodium creates a dangerous cycle of hypertension and kidney damage. Keep in mind that your kidneys help to regulate your blood pressure. Eat kidney-supporting foods. A healthy diet keeps your body running at peak performance. And when this body part is a life-sustaining filter, you want it to function optimally. Take kidney healthy vitamins. Essential vitamins and minerals help your body perform bodily functions. And this includes your kidneys. Drink unsweetened tea. Some teas could promote a healthy kidney and even help prevent renal failure and chronic kidney disease. Your kidneys are exposed to plenty of